Good morning. I'm Tim. I'm from Tim Mosby. We are on English conversation now. Okay, in lesson 5, we learn about are you sure? So, can you remember how to make sentences with that? Are you sure? Okay, let's try it out. Are you sure he's not coming? Are you sure she is going to the party? All right. We are on lesson 6 today. It's all very common words, common saying that you can use it for your conversation. Let's go for it. Mouth watering. When something is, I would say, mouth watering, it looks presentable, it looks nice, it looks delicious. It's when mouth watering is always referring to food. All right, it's something that you want to eat. That is you look at it and it looks good and you want to eat it. It's finger licking good. Let's form a sentences using mouth watering. Is the food delicious? Yes, it looks good. It is mouth watering. Can you form a sentence using mouth watering? Let me give you an example. Another example. A mouth watering dessert. Something that is looks good to eat and you want to eat it. Okay, next word is fiasco. All right, fiasco is it basically means it's a complete failure or a disaster. For example, when you do a presentation and after that you felt that it's a complete failure or it's not good enough. All right. You can ask by saying, how was the show? How was the show? Well, B answer, respond by saying it was a fiasco. It was a fiasco. Can you form a sentence with fiasco? Let me give you an example. The first lecture I ever gave was a complete fiasco. Was a complete failure. Next word is acumen. Acumen, the meaning of acumen is the ability to think quickly and make good judgment. When you have certain acumen means that you are very good. You can ask by saying, is she good in business? And you can answer that answer by saying, yes, she has business acumen. Can you form a sentence by using acumen? Let me give you an example. The success of the company was due to John's. The success of the company was due to John's business acumen. Next word is gregarious. 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 All right. Gregarious, when you are gregarious means you are friendly or you like to be with other people. You can ask by saying, how is her personality? How is her personality? Okay, you can respond by saying, she is gregarious, outgoing sort of person. She is gregarious, outgoing sort of a person. Okay, she is gregarious, outgoing sort of person. Can you form a sentence using gregarious? Let me give you an example. John was an open, gregarious, kind individual who loved people. John was an open, gregarious kind individual who loved people. That means John was a very friendly person. All right. The next common word is raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs. Okay, raining cats and dogs. If you explain literally, it means ฝนตกแมวและหมา Alright. Well, in English, it actually means raining heavily. You can make sentences by asking, how is the weather in Thailand? How is the weather in Thailand? And you can respond by saying, it is raining cats and dogs. Means it is raining heavily. Okay, now next word is kick the bucket. It's a very common word, kick the bucket. It means die. ตาย ตายแล้ว ตาย He kicked the bucket. You can ask a question by saying, how is he? How is he? He kicked the bucket. He died. He kicked the bucket. Okay, the next word is feel blues. Feel blue or feel blues. Alright, it means sad, ศร้า. Okay, you can ask the question by saying that why are you feeling blues? And then B can answer, I'm under the weather. Now the meaning of under the weather means sick. Sick. Okay, alright, let's try again. Why are you feeling blues? I'm under the weather. We have come to the end of our lesson on English conversation. Now let's recap. We have 3 idioms tonight. They are hit the books. Hit the books. It means to study. Drives me crazy. He is driving me crazy. He drove me crazy. He makes me crazy. Alright? My father's number is up. My father is going to die soon. It's very simple. Alright? So I hope you can remember it for the rest of your life. Thank you very much. And I hope to see you again the next time. Bye. Good night. Have a good night sleep. Nice dream. Okay, we have come to the end of the lesson 4. Alright, it's about as far as you form sentences using as far as. Okay, you are very good. Next. You are very good, okay. Okay, we have come to the end of lesson 6. Let's recap back those words that we learned today. Watering, mouth watering. Mouth watering. Fiasco. Fiasco. Acumen. Acumen. And the last word is gregarious. Gregarious.